Hello investors, it's Zil from Equitymaster bringing you investing insights to make investing simple and easy to learn. To stay updated on investing trends and the latest developments on Indian markets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some water infra stocks that have fallen up to 50% from their recent highs. You see, the Indian stock market has been grappling with significant volatility in recent months, and one sector that has felt the brunt of this turbulence is water infrastructure. Some stocks in this space have seen declines up to 50% from their recent highs, prompting many investors to reassess their positions. While such sharp declines often signal underlying issues, they can also present unique opportunities for those with a long-term view. The downturn in water infra stocks has raised important questions. Are these stocks fundamentally weak, or are they simply victims of broader market conditions? In this video, I will talk about the reasons behind the sharp drop in these water infra stocks and examine the market dynamics at play. By delving into their financials, business models, and the potential for recovery, we'll evaluate whether this sector is poised for a bounce back as the market stabilizes. Before we move on, please note this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. With that disclaimer out of our way, let's get started. First on our list is Enviro Infra Engineers. Enviro Infra Engineers was established in 2009 and is engaged in the business of design, construction, operation and maintenance of water, wastewater treatment plants, and water supply projects for government bodies. The company primarily operates through engineering procurement and construction and hybrid annuity model contracts. Some of its projects include sewage, common effluent, and water treatment plants, which are successfully implemented in various states including Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Coming to its financials, in the second quarter of financial year 2025, Enviro Infra Engineers saw an increase in sales of 78% year-on-year to 210 crore rupees. The operating profit during the same period came in at 56 crore rupees, while the operating profit margin for the quarter stood at 26% versus 19% last year. The company's net profit for the quarter increased to 36 crores. Coming to its stock price performance, Enviro Infra Engineers reached its highest share price of 391 rupees on 17th December 2024. Currently, the share price is trading at around 254 rupees, a 35% discount compared to its highest price in the past 1 year. Going forward, the company's continuous expansion in new key areas is expected to drive the growth. The company recently forayed into Karnataka and Jharkhand. Additionally, the Indian government's initiatives such as Jal Jeevan Mission, Mission Amrut, the Namami Gange program, and Swajal present significant opportunities for Enviro Infra. Opportunities in this sector include seawater treatment for desalination projects, zero liquid discharge for industries, and ultra-pure water for the semiconductor industry. With the increasing demand for pure water, it will be interesting to watch how this newly listed company will pioneer India's sustainable water future. Moving on, the second stock on the list is Ion Exchange. Ion Exchange India is a leading provider of integrated water treatment solutions. The company offers a wide range of services, including the construction of water and wastewater treatment plants and the provision of chemicals, resins, and specialty solutions. Notably, the company has been involved in large desalination projects and wastewater treatment initiatives with over 100,000 installations globally. Ion Exchange has also been expanding its global footprint with significant projects in Sri Lanka and increasing demand for desalination plants. Coming to its financials, Ion Exchange saw an increase in sales of 25% year-on-year to 619 crore rupees in the third quarter of FY25. The net profit for the quarter increased to 50 crore rupees. During the quarter, the company has received positive inquiries from sunrise industries like data centers, semiconductors, green hydrogen, biotechnology, which are expected to result in orders in upcoming quarters. Coming to stock performance, Ion Exchange saw its highest share price of 732 rupees on 29 July 2024. Currently, the share price is trading at around 550 rupees, a discount of 25% to its highest price during the year. Going ahead, the management expresses optimism about future growth driven by a strong inquiry pipeline, new projects, and operational improvements despite current challenges. The overall margin outlook is cautiously optimistic, with expectations for improvement after the completion of the onerous contract and increased capacity utilization from the Roha plant. Moving on, the third stock on the list is Kalpataru Projects. Kalpataru Projects, formerly known as Kalpataru Power Transmission, is a significant player in the global power transmission and infrastructure industry. The company specializes in engineering, procurement, and construction for power transmission and distribution networks, oil and gas pipelines, railways, and civil infrastructure projects. KPIL is known for executing complex projects across domestic and international markets, helping to develop and maintain critical infrastructure systems. In the transmission business, KPIL focuses on constructing high-voltage transmission lines, substations, and distribution networks, which are vital for connecting power generation sources to end users. The company has been involved in several high-profile projects across India, Africa, the Middle East, and Latin America. Coming to its financials, Kalpataru Projects saw an increase in sales of 9.1% year-on-year to 4,930 crore rupees in the second quarter of FY25. The company's net profit for the quarter increased to 130 crore rupees. Coming to stock performance, Kalpataru Projects saw its highest share price of 1,449 rupees on 27 September 2024. Currently, the share price is trading at around 1,025 rupees, which is a discount of 29% compared to its highest price during the year. Going ahead, the company's management remains optimistic about healthy growth and improved margins. It's expecting strong visibility on project fronts and diversified portfolio expected to drive performance. Additionally, it is also expecting double-digit margins in the T&D segment, with overall blended EBITDA margins projected to improve gradually. Moving on to the fourth stock on the list, which is KEC International. KEC International is based in Mumbai. It is a major player in the engineering, procurement, and construction sector under the RPG Group. The company operates in key infrastructure sectors such as power transmission and distribution, railways, civil, urban infrastructure, solar, smart infrastructure, oil and gas pipelines, and cables. KEC International's capabilities cover the entire EPC value chain, from planning to project completion. The company has executed challenging projects in difficult environments, supported by its engineering and project management expertise. Its manufacturing facilities are in India, Dubai, Brazil, and Mexico, allowing it to maintain a global supply chain across 6 continents and more than 105 countries. With over 75 years of experience, KEC International has built a strong reputation in the EPC industry. The company focuses on customer satisfaction, quality, and safety in its operations. Coming to its financials, KEC International saw an increase in sales of 6.8% year-on-year to 5,350 crore rupees in Q3 of FY25. The net profit for the quarter increased to 130 crore rupees. Coming to stock performance, KEC International saw its highest share price of 1,313 rupees on 4th December 2024. Currently, the share price is trading at 813 rupees, a discount of 38% compared to its highest price during the year. Going forward, KEC International is positioning itself for sustained growth with a focus on operational efficiency, strategic order intake, and financial discipline. The company has a robust order book of 34,000 crore rupees, complemented by 42,500 crore rupees in L1 positions. It expects to exceed its FY25 order inflow guidance of 25,000 crore rupees, backed by a strong tender pipeline of 1.5 trillion rupees. The company's robust order winning capability is evident from the significant contracts it secured over the past month. Next in the list is KNR Constructions. KNR Constructions is an India-based infrastructure development company. The company is engaged in the construction of roads, bridges, flyovers, and irrigation projects. It provides engineering, procurement, and construction services across various sectors, namely roads and highways, irrigation, and urban water infrastructure management. Its subsidiaries include KNR Agrotech Beverages, KNR Infrastructure Projects, KNR Energy, KNRC Holdings and Investments Private Limited, KNR Tirumala Infra Private Limited, and KNR Srirangam Infra. Coming to its financials, KNR Constructions saw an increase in sales of 87% year-on-year to 1,940 crore rupees in the second quarter of FY25. The operating profit for the period stood at 870 crore rupees. Meanwhile, its net profit for the quarter increased to 580 crores. As far as stock performance is concerned, KNR Constructions saw its highest share price of 415 rupees on 30th July 2024. Currently, the share price is trading at around 219 rupees, a discount of 32% compared to its highest price during the year. Going ahead, KNR Constructions is looking to carve out path for future growth backed by its strong order book and strategic focus on infrastructure development. Having delivered decades of robust performance in roads and irrigation, KNR is now expanding into new sectors to counter the slowdown in project awards in its traditional areas. It's building expertise in urban infrastructure, pump storage, railways, and tunnel projects, taking on these projects independently or through joint ventures. The company is also exploring opportunities in advanced toll collection systems and collaborating with state governments on irrigation projects. It is enhancing operational efficiency through innovative execution methods and robust cost controls. By diversifying its project mix, focusing on sustainable practices, and tapping into emerging opportunities, KNR aims to build a resilient business model. So there you go. These were some of the fundamentally strong water infra stocks that are down up to 50% from their 52-week highs. The recent decline in water infrastructure stocks, triggered by a combination of broader market volatility and sector-specific challenges, suggests that the road to recovery may not be as straightforward as it appears. Although the sector holds long-term potential, the underlying issues, regulatory hurdles to execution risks, cannot be overlooked. Investors would be wise to stay vigilant, thoroughly assess the financial health and corporate governance of these companies, and evaluate any investment opportunity with caution. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and make them as smart as you are. This is Zil from Equitymaster. Thanks for tuning in.